How to enable or disable Authenticate with biometric before filling password for Google Autofill in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings, scroll down, click on security and privacy, scroll down, click on more security settings. Here you will see passwords, passkey and autofill. Now click. Now here you will see Google. Now click on Google. Scroll down, click on preferences. Here you will see fingerprint, face and biometric log. Now confirm your biometric. Now here you will see authenticate with biometrics before filling password. And if you want to enable, then turn on this button. And if you want to disable, then turn off this button. By this button, you can enable or disable authenticate with biometrics before filling password from your phone. This is how you can fix authenticate with biometric before filling password for Google Autofill in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.